We are live right now. Just let me know, am I audible or not? It's 8:15. Make sure to share this video with your friends and ask them to join live so that they can also ask me anything related to how they should or why they are not getting offer. So one more thing, I have write one poll. So just make sure to give your vote. Are you getting any offer from MNC or startups? So that I can see, like, currently 90% of them are not getting any offer. So no problem. First of all, am I audible or not? Am I audible? Am I audible or not? एक बार ये बता दो. Then we will start. Hmm. I think I am live. I think I am live. Hi, when you start the series of API? यार स्टार्ट करेंगे बट ना आज का सेशन में मैं कुछ चीज़ें डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ, उस चीज़ को करते हैं एंड देन इस चीज़ पे भी बात करेंगे. बहुत सारी सीरीज आने वाली है, ठीक है. एनी हाउ आई मेक द रिज्यूमे, बहुत सारी चीज़ बताऊंगा आज के सेशन में ना. मैं सिंपली ये बताने वाला हूँ. हाँ, हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में होगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं बता दूँ, इन टूडेज सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस लाइक वाई यू और लाइक वाई यू आर नॉट गेटिंग ऑफर, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग ऑफर, ठीक है. और इसको इस तरीके से समझ सकते हो. लेट मी जस्ट क्लोज दिस. ओके, आई कैन रीड द चैट्स इन द अनदर विंडो. व्हाई यू आर नॉट गेटिंग ऑफर्स. और ये समझ लो या फिर ये समझ लो, वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट यू शुड डू टू गेट अ ऑफर. दोनों चीज को इसी आज की वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि व्हाई यू आर नॉट गेटिंग ऑफर एंड हाउ टू गेट एन ऑफर, ठीक है. तो इसके अंदर देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई वांट्स टू डिस्कस. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग कि you are not applying enough. You are not applying enough. First of all, I'm list down all the possible things why you are not getting the offer. Then we will discuss every single thing one by one. Okay, I'm reading your chats also, but first of all, let me give the brief introduction of this. So you are not applying enough. Can be the possible reason. Can be the possible reason. That means, see, I apply for almost 300 or three more than 300 for getting the first internship. After the first internship, I apply for hardly 100 companies and I got next 5 internship. So for getting the first internship or the first full-time job, you have to apply 300, 500 opportunities, but not any random. I will talk about how to apply, but this is the thing that I am saying, at least 300 to 500. 300 to 500. And let me make it little bit that. Okay. Second thing, you are not asking for referral. You are not taking referral. You are not taking referral. अब मैं तुम्हें एक चीज बताता हूँ, ठीक है. इस चीज को समझना, एक चीज को. अभी लिंक्डइन ने और बहुत सारी जॉब है. चलो मैं गूगल ही दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है. मैं तुम्हें खुद करके दिखाता हूँ. लेट्स गो टू लिंक्डइन एंड लेट्स गो टू दिस जॉब सेक्शन. लेट्स गो टू दिस जॉब सेक्शन. मैं जाता हूँ हैकर अर्थ गुड कंपनीज and in just 6 hours there are more than 623 applicants. In just 6 hours 623 applicants. How your resume will be stand out? How your resume will be stand out? Let's go here. In just 1 week 8,000 applicants. New grade, no experience need. UI developer, let's go here. 225 in 1 hour, ठीक है. Let's go here. And these are the companies which are really good. Like I have said this, I am interested in working in this kind of companies. Jam, this is very good startup. If you are interested, very good startup. Just find how to apply for this front end engineer on well found. Take a referral. 6 hours ago, just 400. मुझे एक बात बताओ. Just let me know one thing. If you are getting 100, 400, 1000 of resume, most of the time you will get rejected without recruiter will see your resume बिना देखे तुम्हारा मतलब नहीं मिल रहे ऑफर. समझ रहे हो. तो ये एक रीजन है कि तुम्हारा रिज्यूमे देख ही नहीं रहे. यू आर फील लाइक कि तुम्हारे रिज्यूमे में कुछ कमी है, तुम्हारे प्रोजेक्ट्स में कुछ कमी है, तुम्हारे स्किल्स में कुछ कमी है. नॉट नो, तुम्हारी सारी चीज सही है, ठीक है. स्किल्स है, प्रोजेक्ट्स है, सब चीज है, बट तुम्हारा रिज्यूमे पहुंच ही नहीं रहा. योर रिज्यूमे इज नॉट गेटिंग in the hand of like recruiter तो कैसे शॉर्टलिस्ट होगे, ठीक है. दिस इज द सेकंड थिंग. वी विल डिस्कस ऑल द सॉल्यूशन. No problem. If you are not going to understand the English like Hindi, I will talk major of the session in the English only. Okay. So the first thing that I want to say, कि you are not applying enough. If you are applying, you are not taking the referral. Third thing, if you are applying the referral, okay, you are applying for the referral. How to apply for the referral? You goes to like let's say I goes to this jam. Let's say it goes to this company, ठीक है, and one of the co-founder is my friend I know. Um, he is my school commate. I will go to the people section and I can reach out to anyone. I can reach out to this. Okay, ki I am looking for this. But see, they are professional. They are professional. Hardly like very few professional are active on LinkedIn. To be very honest, or most of them are the content creator who are active, but hardly any engineers, real engineers, or they are active on the link. Like, so what you should do? If you ask on the link list, that's okay, but you should go and check out their just go engineering, just check out their contact info. Okay, just if you are not getting the contact info, I will let you know कैसे मिलेगी. About section में नहीं है. Let's go. Contact info निकालते हैं. ठीक है. Just go here. I will write Jam employee, Jam employee email pattern. Okay, I will write this. I will write this. Here you see the most accurate and popular Jam employees format is first plus last @jam.com, whatever their company's name. Okay, kind of this you can find and you can play around the email, and once you find the email of this all this, just do a cold email. बताऊंगा cold email को अभी. Cold email. I will share the template. I will share the template. I will share the template today. I don't want to share the template. The reason behind that, because lots of you are like a spoon food. मतलब you need a spoon fooding. You are not creating something your own. The things which work for me, the reason behind that, I have done this all this it unique. But if you are watching 600 people, watching 500 people watching this, then also you will get. The reason behind that, only 1% of you will implement this. Whatever I am saying, only 1% of you will implement, and all those 1% will get the offer. I am damn sure. Even hundreds of students will share this template, only 1% will use it. This is the one thing called email. Now let's say you are getting the interview call. Okay, after doing all this you are getting the interview call, but you are not able to clear interview. So clear interview, it's like there are lots of things to discuss in the clear interviews. So how to do that? Let's go here. So I will say in the clear interview there are few more things. Lack of skills, lack of tech skills may be possible. ठीक है, like you have the development skill but you are not have the DSS skill. You have the DSS skill but you don't have the tech skills. Okay, like development skills. So lack of tech skills can be the possible solution. But if your resume is shortlisting, so the possibilities of this is very less, very less. What can be the possibilities? Lack of soft skills. Major reason. Up you are saying like why you will hire an engineer based on soft skills? Why you will hire a software engineer based on soft skills? समझो इस चीज को. You are working in a team. You have to communicate your ideas, okay, with your teammates. Let's say if you are applying for a remote job, communication skills is the key. You have to like in the office you can communicate in any language or anything, but in the remote job you have to communicate very clearly. You have to communicate where are you stucking, what are the problem you are facing, what are the blockers you are facing. So you need the soft skills. Third thing, lack of interview driving. Okay, मैं इसको बताता हूँ. I will talk about this, how to drive an interview. Okay, interview driving. This is the new term maybe you have heard, but I will talk about this. And after this you can, if you master this, you can clear any interview. Just for the sake of like brief introduction, I have like give interview of 25 and 30 companies as of now. In just last 2 years I have gave interviews of 25 and 30. Out of this I got 20 plus offers. Do I have the all tech skills? No. Am I the best? No. Of course, there are lots of students who are better than me in tech, maybe better than me in the soft skills. But where I am mastering, I master this thing. I master this thing. I master this. We will talk about this. Okay? So this can be the possible reason कि lack of kind of this thing. Now there can be few more things. Few more things can be also possible. That is, you're not applying, taking referral, cold email, clear interview, or what can be the possible? What can be the possible? Lack of follow-ups. Lack of follow-ups. I will talk about this. चलो ठीक है, अब एक एक चीज को डिस्कस करते हैं. लेट्स डिस्कस एवरी सिंगल थिंग, हाउ यू शुड अप्लाई. बट बिफोर दैट देयर कैन बी वन मोर थिंग बिफोर अप्लाइंग. यू शुड हैव अ गुड रिज्यूमे प्लस लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. At least LinkedIn profile, Twitter or any profile. If you don't have this profile, no problem, but at least this. And referral का भी तरीका बताऊंगा. There are lots of ways to ask me for referral. Cool. Let's do it. Let's start with the very first thing. You should have a resume. Now lots of you, I see lots of you don't even like. I just see in the today's group, you are getting 4% score in the ATS. 4%. You should at least get 60% scores. 60% at least. This is not the maximum. This is the minimum. Okay. A good resume is required. If you don't have the resume, you will not get the referral. You will not get the reply from the cold email. Your resume will not getting shortlisted. You will not get the interview call. The very first thing is resume. Resume. How to create a resume? Just go to YouTube channel. You can watch like how to create resume. Just write anything and you will get the output. Or you can go here. I have the playlist, something like get your first job fast. This is a resume guide. How to create, just write on the chat GPT. These are my details. This is my education. This is my project. This is my this. Create a resume for me. वो क्रिएट कर देगा. या फिर ये वीडियो देखो, उसके अंदर मैंने बता रखा है कि कैसे रिज्यूमे बनाना है. हाउ यू शुड मेक अ रिज्यूमे एंड हाउ टू चेक यूजिंग रिज्यूमे वर्डिट. देयर इज अ वेबसाइट. Goes to this. You don't even ask for a give me a feedback. Why you should need a feedback? Just ask, see preview, okay, and they will give you the all the breakdown, like what are the missing in your resume, what you should add in the resume. This will be help you. So first thing, create good resume and get it reviewed. Create good resume and get it reviewed. Okay. Now one more thing in this, one more hurdle while creating the good resume. What is the hurdle? The hurdle can be in the resume. You have to write a experience section, you have to write a project section, you have to write the skill section. Okay, you have to write the skill section. But if you don't have the skills, if you don't have the projects, what you will put in the resume? So I highly suggest, I see lots of students just start learning any coding, any development, DSA kind of thing, and they start applying. You should apply, but if you don't have the projects, if you don't have the skills, you will not get any chance. So you are wasting your time. Let's think of the two case. ठीक है, दो केस समझो. There is two cases. First, second. This person start applying when he start coding. Start applying. He give 3 hours into coding, 1 hour into applying. After 3 months, he spent 90 hours in the job application. 90 hours. And 3 into 90, 270 hours in coding. What will the possibilities? And this person give 4 hours in learning, and after 3 months, he will have almost 360 hours. So this person have the good skills, good project. So I highly suggest, first of all, have at least good project. Now before applying, have at least good project, good skills. अब गुड प्रोजेक्ट कैसे बनाने, स्किल्स कैसे बनाने, आई एम हियर। ओके, डेवलपमेंट सीखने इधर सीख लो, नहीं सीखनी ना, जस्ट राइट ऑन यूट्यूब, राइट ऑन गूगल, राइट ऑन चैट जीपीटी। चैट जीपीटी अभी आई एम लर्निंग न्यू स्किल्स राइट नाउ, आई एम लर्निंग मोबाइल डेवलपमेंट। सो द रीजन, इसका भी बताऊंगा रीजन व्हाई आई एम लर्निंग मोबाइल डेवलपमेंट। सो व्हाट यू शुड डू, if whatever you want to learn, create good project, that are the proof of work, that are the proof of work, you have to learn that, that are the proof of work. So first of all, build at least few proof of work before applying, before applying. This is the prerequisite, this is the prerequisite, have at least good project skills, otherwise you are wasting your time. Okay, so this is what I want to talk about the resume. Now similarly see, there are two person, first person and second person. First person don't have any profile pic, don't have any profile pic on his LinkedIn, don't have about section, don't have about section. Okay, didn't mention projects, didn't mention projects, didn't mention any skills. Okay, second person have the profile pic, have the about section, have the projects, have the skills. He said, or she said all the his projects learning in the LinkedIn. Which will get the referral, tell me, which will get the referral, this person, this person. Okay, so you should have at least basic LinkedIn profile, you should have all these skills. Go check out this LinkedIn. Here I said all this thing, key first of all, how to create LinkedIn profile, how to shade your job application kind of thing. I got few, like how many of you, just let me know, how many of you are getting reach out by the recruiters, how many recruiters reach out to you, just let me know in the comment section, I am reading the comment, just let me know how many recruiters reach out to you. You see, recruiter will reach out to you if and only if you are sharing your projects or learning on the LinkedIn or Twitter. I know few candidates whose projects are getting recognized by the co-founders on the LinkedIn, on the Twitter, and few of the co-founders directly reach out to the student candidate that, hey, your project is good, are you available for a like coffee chat kind of thing. And after the coffee chat they will discuss what are you looking for, and if they say like I am looking for a job, they will do an interview kind of this thing. So do this, man. LinkedIn, Twitter, it is 2023, 2023, you should have a uh, social image. Okay, social presence, to be very honest, you should have. So watch this video. Now let's comes to the very interesting part. Resume हो गया, LinkedIn profile हो गई. So after if you have these two things solid, chances of getting referral will be very good. क्योंकि lots of you say कि I do hundreds of DM, not a single person give you referral. The reason is this: you comes in this category or in the above category. If you come in these two category, no one give the referral. No one will give the referral. You should have basic skills, you should share basic projects, you should share basic learning, you should have the basic skills, all these things, then only you will get. Okay, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स सुजीत मैं बताऊंगा यार, सॉफ्ट स्किल बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से बताऊंगा कैसे इंप्रूव करेंगे. लेट्स कम्स टू दैट पॉइंट. ओके, तो ये सब चीज़ होगी, दो चीज़ होगी. अब आते हैं हम अपने थर्ड पॉइंट पे. व्हाट इज अवर थर्ड पॉइंट? दैट इज यू आर नॉट टेकिंग रेफरल. तो रेफरल ले लो यार, रेफरल लेना बहुत आसान है. ठीक है, जस्ट उन पे जाओ, लिंक्डइन पे जाओ. अगर आपकी ये दोनों चीज अच्छी है तभी रेफरल मिलेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दिस, आई एम अगेन सेइंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैव द प्रोजेक्ट्स, देन resume, then LinkedIn profile, then comes to referral, then only you can ask for referral. Referral कैसे पूछना है? जब तुम when you are creating your LinkedIn profile, you have to create, you have to post, you have to connect, you have to network. This is the three basic thing. You have to network with lots of people, network with your college senior, network with the companies you want to work in, their employees, their recruiter, whom you should do the cold email, recruiter, not the employee. Recruiter, do the cold emails to the recruiter, not the employee. Okay, do the LinkedIn DMs to the employees and recruiter both, but cold DM should be only to the recruiter. How to find, मैं बताता हूँ अभी कि मैंने कैसे खुद फाइंड करी है, ठीक है. आई विल शेयर द लिंक. ओके, तो लेट्स कम. रेफरल आ गए. रेफरल के अंदर बहुत शॉर्ट होगा, बहुत शॉर्ट. यू शुड राइट जस्ट सिंपल मैसेज कि हे दिस इज माई स्किल्स, दिस इज माई एक्सपीरियंस. दो चीज होती हैं, इसको भी समझो. देयर आर टू काइंड ऑफ रेफरेंस, लाइक टू काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. देयर आर टू काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस, प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस, ओके, एंड वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस. समझो अभी से. Lots of you are confusing in this. Working experience can be known as hands-on experience. Hands-on experience. These are same. And similarly, professional experience can be like non-internship experience. Non-internship experience. These are same. आप समझ रहे हैं इस चीज को. If you are applying for professional experience, if you are reading the JD, 90% of the time they mention working experience. They mention working experience, hands-on experience for the fresher role. What does it mean? You should know given tech stack. Let's say you are learning JavaScript from 2 years. You have built the project from the last 2 years. That means you have 2 years of hands-on experience. You can apply hands-on experience. Now, while asking for a reference, while asking for a referral, what you will say? Hey, the name. Hey Vinay, I have a 2 years of hands-on experience on JavaScript and React. Mention karo, you have 2 years of hands-on experience. You have a 2 years of working experience. Okay, mention this kind of thing. If you didn't mention, you say, hey Vinay, I have this skill, this project. Can you refer? Nobody refer. Hands-on experience give that you have some proof of work. Okay, this will give you an authority, kind of authority, that hey Vinay, I have a 2 years hands-on experience on JavaScript and React. I have created a scalable beautiful UI, and these are my few projects that I have proud of, and this is my resume for your reference. Could you please give me a like let me know if you are able to give me a referral kind of thing. ठीक है, इस तरीके से एक सिंपल मैसेज करो 3 से 4 लाइन का. It should be 3 to 4 line, but this is hands-on experience. Almost all of you have the hands-on experience. If you see 2 years of hands-on experience, 3 years of hands-on experience for fresher, this is what they mean. This is what they mean. This is what they mean. Professional experience, this is mostly for internship. This is mostly for internship. Okay. For the professional, if you are applying for SD2 or SD1, SD1 means not for the fresher, for 1 year experience, then they say professional experience. Okay, so professional experience means working full time. Sometimes they will ask for like internship experience also. They count internship experience, but most of the time they will say non-internship experience. So this is the professional experience. I see most of you are the freshers, so we discuss this only. This is if you are working in some companies for 1 or 2 years, that kind of experience. So ये देखो JD में and उसके बाद apply करो. If you see they asking for professional experience, there is no need of applying, but they mention working experience, hands-on experience. Apply करो. People not accept on LinkedIn. बताता हूँ क्यों नहीं करते. जब आप if you see this video ना, if you see this video, मैं तुम्हें अपने रेफरेंस देता हूँ. I will see. I get lots of like requests on a daily basis. I see this request, I will accept. Okay, React developer है. He is a React developer. He is a front-end developer. I will accept. Okay. अब see why I didn't apply more than 600. Let's scroll it down. Should I apply? Should I? Highly skilled at AI. What is this? मतलब I'm not sure. Why do you want to connect with me? You don't even have a profile pic. Don't even have a profile pic. More than 600 of employees, like they don't even have a profile pic, or they don't say why they want to connect with me. Why? If you are like you have the solid bio that you are looking for organization, something like that, like you are a full stack engineer, so I want to connect with the full stack engineer. I want to connect with like coding ninja, so I can connect with that. He is a BTech. But if you are like don't have the profile pic, you are not sending the personal invite. If you want to connect with anyone, how I do? let's say if I want to connect with someone, let's say I want to connect with him. Okay, I'm already connected. So what? Let's go. Anyone? Let's go here. Let's write any company name, them, and put it here. That goes to this employee. Okay, let's go to connect. Okay, I'm going to connect it. I will write the personal invite. Add a note. I will write here some note, and I will not just write it from here. I will copy paste. I don't have any times to just write note every single time, so I will copy paste from here. I have already shared this kind of notes in this video. How to ask. In this, I shared how to ask for a referral, job, kind of things. But here I'm showing the demonstration. Hey, Mehul, whatever his name, like hey Mehul, kind of thing. I'm Vishal Rajput, recently graduated. I don't want to share it. I just want to share. I have a 2 years experience. Dekho, I had 2 years of experience in front end development, working for 6 startup. I would love to work at company name Zem. Okay, and then I'm sharing my resume for your reference. Thanks for kind of this. तुमने बता दिया कि यार मैं I am connecting with you because I need a reference. Simple. The chances of getting your resume like LinkedIn profile shortlisted or a correction request accepted because you have the profile, good profile. You ask why you want to connect, they will accept. Okay, हो गया. People not accept, they will accept. Professional experience हो गया, referral हो गया. अब main चीज डिस्कस करते हैं यार. You are not applying. Cold email, मैं cold email का अपना बताता हूँ. Let me share. करना चाहिए. There are lots of email. अब चलो दिखा देता हूँ. Let's say come here and I goes to Zomato. Okay, let's go. Yep. See, I email him. I write a cold email and she give me like, hi Vishal, we appreciate your interest in working with Zomato, and they schedule. Okay. Similarly, if I show you like, great, name any company, a message we are interested. Okay. A message from this. Hi Vishal, your profile is generated interest and it's initial talk. Why I am getting this? मैं बताता हूँ. Let me go to send and not send. Just go here and this is how I write. Are you looking for a best front end developers to join your team? Who don't want to like add best front end developers to join in your team? If you see any best front end developer in the market, you will see yaar, why he is the best front end developer. He will open my email because I write this kind of subject. Are you looking for a best front end developers to join your team? This kind of hooks you have to write. Now you just simply write hello, greet them, and you write I have a 2 years of experience. I have bold this thing कि मेरे को 2 year experience है. We work with 6 startup as an intern. These are my skills. I have bold this. Bold the numbers. 2 year, 6, 4,000 student mentor. This is my resume. This is my LinkedIn profile. This is my GitHub profile. Bus. 1, 2, 3 lines. 3 lines. Bus. And I'm getting from lots of startups. Okay, I'm getting reply from lots of startups. Zomato and Create are just few of them. Zomato and there are few of them. So if you want to get, write a good email, man. Write a good. You can just use the ChatGPT or use how I write. Okay, add few numbers. So I think we have discussed about why you're not taking referral, your cold email, clear interview. We will discuss about you're not applying. We discuss about this also. Again, similarly, you have to do lack of like follow up. So if you see up here, if you come, I shared a few list. Startup, I guess. If you go here, I shared this list, Indian Unicorn Startup list. Here you see the unicorn, like the company's name, website, their LinkedIn. You don't need to add a Twitter, but you say right, applied for internship or not, founder or not. मैं तुम्हें अपनी पर्सनल दिखा रहा हूँ बट दिखाऊँ नहीं दिखाऊँ, चलो वो दिखा नहीं रहा, ठीक है. तो मैं तुम्हें बता देता हूँ इसके अंदर क्या करना है, ठीक है, पर्सनली दिखाऊंगा. आपको क्या करना है, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, क्रिएट अ गूगल शीट. उसके अंदर यू हैव टू राइट कंपनी and then you have to write after company you have to write their LinkedIn profile, and here don't write the LinkedIn, इसके अंदर job section की direct link डाल दो, so that you click on that, you go to their job section directly, their career page, Okay, career page, and then current status can be application done, applied, okay, rejected, rejected, selected, selected, or what can be cold dm, cold dm, not apply on that, just cold dm, cold email, cold dm. This can be, or not interested. Sometimes after the interview you are not interested to work with them, yeah, you revoke their offer, okay, kind of this, mention that. And here you have to write date when you take the cold email, date, okay. So after every 1 week you have to do a follow up. How to do a follow up? कोल्ड ईमेल दिखाया मैंने, अब दिखा दूँ how to do a follow up. Hey Vinay, I'm still interested to work in Falana company. I'm still interested to work in the Falana company. I see, just read out the values of that company. Okay? Let's say if you want to read about the values of Zomato, like what's their values, who we are. Read this page. कि ये क्या है, क्या करते हैं, what's the point, like driving the force of assortment and kind of things from the blogs. So just read about them, what they do, and mention that in the email. I really like that you are you care your employees or you give the full responsibility. Kind of this you mention that. Okay. उसे समझ आएगा कि हाँ ये भी मेरी कंपनी में इंटरेस्टेड है, और आई रियली इंटरेस्टेड दैट हाउ योर प्रोडक्ट हेल्प थाउजेंड्स एंड लैक्स ऑफ पीपल. काइंड ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट्स की तारीफ कर दो या कंपनी की वर्क कल्चर की तारीफ कर दो. यू हैव टू डू एनी वन ऑफ दैम. Okay, so that the employee can understand that yeah, he is not applying randomly, he has done lots of research before applying and he did the follow up. मैं तुम्हें जस्ट नंबर देता हूँ, जस्ट अ नंबर. Hardly 5 to 10%, hardly 5 to 10% will revert back to your first email if your profile is very good, very good. Otherwise this number will be 1 or 2%. Hardly 1 or 2% will give you a replies to your cold email. Hardly 1 to 2%. But if you do a follow up after that, after first follow up, this 1 to 2% will increase to at least 5 to 8%. And after second follow up, to this will increase to at least, I guess, 12 to 15%, and that is huge. 12 to 15% are good. You have to do but to follow up. If they are not like getting you, if you are not getting reply from after 15 days, just you don't need to do again follow up. That's okay, we will do it after 3 4 months. We will do it after 3 4 months for the same. Because understand this, maybe you are not eligible right now, but you will be eligible after 3 4 months. So after 3 4 months, if you again emails to these employees, they will get you shortlisted, okay, they will give a replies to you. So this you have to do. Email in 15 days, do 3 email, and then take a break of 3 to 4 months. I have email of almost all the startups employees, okay, all the unicorn startup, but I can't share this because that is like breach of privacy, so I don't want to share the my seat. Okay, so here what is the next thing that you have to do? Next thing that you have to do, write an email, write a email, or here you will write the company's email, like whom you have do a cold email and kind of this. Now what you can do, you can do a follow up very interestingly. Up there is one method, I will just talk about this in very brief. Mail merge. Okay, mail merge. So what is this mail merge will do? You can cold email all thousand, hundred of employees in just single click. Just read about the mail merge, how this mail merge work in the Google Sheet. You can do in just one single click. In just one single click, you can follow up all the hundreds of companies in just one click, and the whole mail will be unique. They don't have the same. So what you have to write? You just have to write like you will write hello, and after hello you will use kind of name. You have to use the template. Okay, read about the mail merge in just one video, you will understand it. Or if you want me to make a video on that, I will make a video on that. Just let me know, yeah, in the comment section. Okay, hello, and I am still interested in the company. and rest the format will be same. Rest the format will be same. Rest email will be same. So this is how you can follow up in just one click. Use brain, use smartness. Okay, so I think follow ups मैंने बता दिया. Follow ups के लिए use mail merge. Mail merge, best technique. We discuss about every single thing as of now. I think lack of follow ups. We discuss about cold. You are not applying enough. देखो, अगर तुम इधर आओगे, मैंने कहा हंड्रेड्स ऑफ कंपनीज हैं. जस्ट सी हाउ मेनी कंपनीज आई हैव सेड. हंड्रेड्स ऑफ कंपनीज. लेट्स से आउट ऑफ दिस यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन 50 कंपनीज. ठीक है, बट फ्रेशर है तो यार डोंट थिंक ऑफ लाइक आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दी हेल्थ टेक, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दी एड टेक. हर जगह अप्लाई करो. यू शुड अप्लाई एवरी सिंगल वेयर. बट दिस इज दी 100 कंपनीज. लेट्स कम बैक इन दिस. कहाँ गया? If you are interested to do open source and then applying, so here if I goes to YC Y Combinator and if I goes to the job, फाइनल चीज जो होगी ना वो उसके लिए वेट करना कि हाउ टू डू दिस लैक ऑफ इंटरव्यू ड्राइविंग. दिस विल मेक यू लाइक मेक एवरीथिंग चेंज. ऑल जॉब्स and here see all jobs. I am interested in the engineering job. Okay, you can find these companies. Find this company who are hiring for. Now how to apply? How to apply? That's very easy. Let's say he is hiring for software engineer. Okay, he is hiring software engineer, remote, and offering this. But currently, it's have 3 years of experience. But you can, rather than applying for a role, connect with them. Connect with them. Do Twitter. Twitter is the where most of these co-founders will be active. They are not hardly active on the LinkedIn, but they will active on the Twitter. So I highly suggest create your account on Twitter, start posting content, start connecting with the co-founder on the Twitters too. Because if you are applying for remote job, they will active on here. They will active here. Okay. Okay. This is he is not active. He is active, man. August 13. Okay. So he is active. Today is 28 August now. He is active. So and see he have only 194 followers. So most probably he can revert back. He can revert back. So करो ट्विटर पे करो. इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर रिमोट जॉब्स के लिए सॉफ्ट ट्विटर पे जाओ. ठीक है, गो टू ट्विटर इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर रिमोट जॉब. वाईसी कॉम्बिनेटर एंड देयर आर 90 प्लस 900 प्लस कंपनीज विच आर हायरिंग फ्रेशर. 900 प्लस कंपनीज, ओवरऑल 1000 कंपनीज. बट चेक कर लेना फ्यू ऑफ देम विल नॉट हायर इन इंडिया. सो आई विल रिड्यूस दिस नंबर्स टू लेट्स से 400. Okay, I am taking just 300. Few companies don't hire in India fresher. They hire like experienced person, but they don't hire fresher. तो उसको check कर लेना. Second चीज, I discuss about this and ठीक है. If you are into the group, I have shared one Google Sheet which have the more than 700 companies. Okay, उसमें से भी 100-200 कंपनीज होंगी जो इंडिया को हायर कर रही होंगी, प्लस 100 होंगी. Then if you goes to the LinkedIn, you will find more than thousands of jobs. If you go to the well found, this is from the LinkedIn. If you go to the well found, you can find almost 200. So see how many jobs are there. Jobs तो हैं. It's not like that कि jobs are not there. Recession है, jobs नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Student are getting referrals, student are getting jobs. तो jobs तो है, उसकी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो I would say there are thousands of openings right now. ठीक है, और हर दिन ओपनिंग आ रही है. हर दिन 100 प्लस ओपनिंग आ रही है. एक चीज़ बताता हूँ. ठीक है, लेट्स से ही इज वर्किंग इन स्प्रिंकलर. ठीक है, मैं स्क्रॉल डाउन करता हूँ. स्प्रिंकलर, आई वांट टू वर्क इन द स्प्रिंकलर. कैसे करेंगे? गोज टू जॉब सेक्शन, गो टू जॉब. दे आर नॉट हायरिंग, दे आर नॉट. ओके, 147 posted job. Okay, no problem. What I want to do, I will create a job alert. If you are hiring for a software engineer, in India, then give me a job alert. ठीक है, in India, I have to click on it, not type. Create a job alert. Again, create a new job alert. If you are hiring front-end developer in India, give a job alert. Create this kind of job alert for each company, or you can create here also. Like go to here, create a job alert. Here are the few my job alert. Like if you are hiring, like I said, right now I can create more job alert. Okay, so you see these are the companies which is recommended for me, and I'm getting lots of like this on daily basis on my email. So whenever these posting are there, just 2 hours, these are the fresh job. 2 hours, 7 hours, these are the fresh job, 14 minute only. Cool. So you have to set alert. So if you're setting alert, your chances will be very high, because most of the company will just check top 100. Let's say if you are applying for any job, there are thousands of students apply, but they will hard, most probably they will check it from the top 100 only. Top 100, they will hire from the top 100 only. They will not check all the 4,000, just for top 100. So how to get into top 100? Apply as soon as you find the job opening, and for that you have to create the job alert. Create the job alert. So these are the few methods for applying. First of all, well found, LinkedIn, Naukri bhi hai, but I am not interested. Intershala bhi hai, but I am not interested that much. LinkedIn and well found is best. Apart from that, I will make a one video how to find, like, I think just wait for a second. um, I think I have shared few more job opening. Just let me see. Yeah, usually I have shared few job. These are the companies which hire freshers, because recently I shared the companies list which are not hiring fresher, but these are the companies which hire for fresher. Check out this. There are lots of companies. They hire freshers. They hire fresher. तो इनको देखो, रिमोट कंपनी ने फ्रेशर भी हायर कर दिया, इंडिया में हायर कर दिया, तो देख लेना इनको, इंडिया में हायर करती है नहीं करती, बट यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. तो मेरे ख्याल से आफ्टर दैट यू विल एबल टू क्लियर दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. ये हो गया होगा कि हाउ टू अप्लाई. यू आर नॉट अप्लाइंग. अभी तक इन तीन चीज में किसी में डाउट है तो बताओ. अभी डाउट सेशन को भी यार करेंगे, हम इंग्लिश में बात करो. I think I'm talking in English only. Just few fillers are in the Hindi. Okay, few fillers are in the Hindi, but most of the time I'm talking in English. Okay, so we discussed about you are not applying enough. You are not taking the referral, cold email. हो गया. ठीक है, इंटरव्यूज पे बात करते हैं. सारी चीज हो गई, अब इंटरव्यूज पे बात करेंगे. ठीक है, आ जाओ. Let's talk about the interviews. Let's talk. But before that, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, man. So first of all, what I want to say, interview. Interview. तो देखो, फर्स्ट थिंग यू ऑलरेडी नो, लैक ऑफ सॉफ्ट टेक स्किल्स है, पढ़ लो, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. लैक ऑफ टेक स्किल्स है, यू शुड मेक अ प्रोजेक्ट, यू शुड लर्न द टेक स्किल्स. सो दैट्स वेरी सिंपल. दैट्स वेरी सिंपल. लैक ऑफ टेक स्किल्स, बहुत सिंपल. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. जस्ट लर्न. लर्न न्यू स्किल्स. लर्न करो. Second, lack of soft skills. Lack of soft skills. This is also kind of very simple. I will teach you like how I improve my soft skills. I'm not the best by the way, but I have a decent soft skills, so I will talk about that. So lack of soft skill, how you can improve? There are few methods which I like use in the during the COVID time. So what you should do? All of you are watching this from either a laptop or a phone. So use phone and record at least 1 minute video every single day for 30 days. For 30 days, what you have to record? You can record any single thing, anything. So let me show what you can record. First thing, you can record any interview question. Let's say you can say in the one video you will explain what is promise in JavaScript. Okay, you will record it. You don't have to post it. Okay, if you post it, that's the best thing. But if you don't want to post it, just save it, because this is how you will answer in the interview. So you will record open your front camera, you will say promise in JavaScript is similar to the promise in the real life. So in the promise in real life, what happen is blah 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 blah, and you record every single thing. So here you can understand how you are answering to the interviewer, and you are preparing for that. Along with that, you are going to understand what is your weak point. What is your weak point? What is your weak point? This will make you to improve your tech skills. But if you don't want to talk about this like tech skills, your tech skills is already improved, then what you can do, you can talk about what you are going to do today. So just open the camera. Hey Vishal, today I am planning to do I'm planning to learn the React Native. I'm planning to do this project. I have to finish these few tasks. And yeah, let's see if I am able to do or that. Okay, so just 1 minute video. This will make you accountable what you are going to do. Make you accountable what you have to do in that day. Use any of this. Either do this kind of video, either do this kind of video. So if you do this in 30 days, you will be very proficient in the communication. Okay, your English will be, your communication skill will be good. Second thing, whenever you do this kind of things, make a smile on your, make a smile. ठीक है, this is the best thing in the interview. अगर मैं इंटरव्यू में ऐसे बात करूँ दिस फेस कि हेलो, मतलब टोन तो वो होगी, टोन पे ध्यान देना है, बट the most important thing is smile. In the interview, if you are smiling, hello everyone, hi Vinay, I am good, how about you? If you have a smile throughout the interview, that will make a good impression. Okay, if you smile, the interviewer will be smile, and you can communicate very well. So have a smile, have a very good, clear, smooth communication. Even if you don't know the question, but your communication is very good, you will clear the interview. If you are not able to solve, like if you are able to solve 80% of the question and you are not able to solve the 20% of the question, but your communication was very smooth, they will hire you. Okay, they will hire you. Now now let's talk about accountable is done, on is done. How to one step ahead, one step ahead. After 30 days, take the mock interviews, take the mock interviews. Ask your friend to ask your friend. Now you are answering to your question. Now ask your friend, yeah, do a mock interview for me. I am interested in this 10 question. If your friend is non-tech, no worry. Ask him to, this is the 10 question that you have to ask. So वो after 10 question पूछ लेगा अपनी notebook से लेके और कैसे भी. So he will ask the question, you have to answer. So that how you will learn mock interview. Don't want to do mock interview? Start calling. Start calling. Start do video calls. Start do video calls to your friends. If there is Sujit, so he know that I do. I never call anyone. I never call anyone. Most of the friend, I just send the meet link. I send the meet link. I open my camera and I talk. I never switch off my camera. I never switch off. I always send the meet link. I talk on the meet. The more I talk on the meet, the more I will feel confident. Cool. So this is what you have to do. I think this is what you have to do. The final thing, ये interesting point है, and इसके बाद हम इस after that I will see all the chats and all the what are the doubt sessions. But this is the last thing that I want to talk about. That is what I would say, interview driving. Interview driving. This is a very new concept for you. Okay. Very few people will talk about this. देखो, interview driving doesn't work much in the MNCs because their interview are kind of fixed. Their interview is kind of fixed. Like they will ask you DSA problems. They already prepared the DSA problem before coming to the interview, and so they will ask those interview problems only. But in the startups, this works in the startups only. First thing, this works in the startups only. Okay. In startups, the interviewer first of all asks, tell me something about yourself. If you talk about whatever topics you will talk about, they will ask cross question on that only. Okay, so they will ask cross question on that only. So what you have to do in this interview driving, you have to answer in a such a way that next follow-up question will be your strong part. Follow-up question is your strong part. Okay, how to do that? Let me tell you. Let's say you are very good in development, but you are not good in DSA. So when you talk about, tell me something about yourself. So you will say, hello Vinay, I am Vishal Rajput. I am a front-end developer from India, a front-end developer from New Delhi. I have a 2 years experience on the front-end development. I have built you have built so much work on the front end. तो फिर वो फ्रंट एंड पे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, थोड़ी बहुत चीजें पूछेगा, बिकॉज इंटरव्यू स्टार्टअप में इंटरव्यू जो होते हैं दे विल लाइक दे डोंट प्रिपेयर लाइक कि व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन आई विल प्रिपेयर. दे विल डोंट डू लाइक 2 years 2 hour or 1 hour preparation. How what question they will ask? They will just join the meeting and start asking anything from their resume, kind of this. So this is how you will interview. You have to focus more on your strong point, and you can talk about, and they also give few more important things. They also ask you, they also ask you, what is your strong point? What is your strong point? You can say front end development, JavaScript is strong. Okay, even if you say DSA, if they say no, I will ask DSA only, I will ask DSA, in that case only they will ask, they will ask they will ask what is your favorite topic. अब फेवरेट टॉपिक में ये मत बताना कि विच वेयर यू आर नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग. फेवरेट टॉपिक मीन्स वेयर यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग. So in DSA, talk about where you are strong. So this is the thing that lots of my friend also do. Like he didn't done DSA. He just did open source work, lots of good open source work, G-Shock, MLH, and lots of other things, GitHub Campus Expert, lots of other stuff. He never touched DSA. Right now he is learning after joining the company, learning DSA, but just for a fun. But he didn't learn the DSA. He cleared any company with the help of his development skill. And someone asked the DSA question, he shift them to development. He don't ask DSA, but don't say like that. Don't ask DSA, just talk about ki how you can shift to the development. Yeah, this is it for this video. If you have any doubt, let me know. अब अपने सारे डाउट चैट्स में लिखो, and I am reading all the chats. Okay, I am reading all the chat from the top to bottom, and I will answer it that. Okay, so first of all, yeah, after the meet, make sure to drop the comment in the video. So I am reading all the. And one more thing, yeah, make sure to watch all the video. He's in the fourth year and also got the full-time remote job. He's from the BSc, he got the job like BSc. So he's from like Tier 3 college, he got the job. He is from the BCA, got the job. He is from the IGDTU, got the job. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if you are into the BSc, you don't have the kind of job, you will get the job irrespective of you are in the first or second year, irrespective you done BSc, irrespective you are from the Tier 3, irrespective you are from the BCA, any degree doesn't matter, you can get the job. Okay, so this is the thing. Can you suggest how should I make a resume? Suggest कर दिया. I am the QA automation role. Is it possible for me to switch to front end development? Of course, you can switch from QA automations to front end development or any role or any non-tech roles to be. If you are not in the non-tech role, if you are like say mechanical engineer or if you are doing some farmer kind of thing, any kind of stuff, you can switch to front end development by learning skills, required skills, and projects. Create projects. Do share on LinkedIn and Twitter. Do share it. This is the best of. Okay. Doesn't matter which branch, whatever you are, you will get it. One more thing that I haven't shared as of now. I am from electrical branch. Okay. I did 6 internship. I have placed in the MNCs, but I am not from the CS or IT branch. I am from the electrical, and I am the first electrical branch from the NSIT. Before that, we don't have electrical branch, so we don't even have the seniors. Okay, 6 year gap job मिलेगा. You will get the job if you have the skills and projects. I have doubt that I recently got a startup which had only 10 employees, 25K salary, but I left within 10 days because unreal expectation like make a app with 3 days. Any suggestion? देखो 10 employees are good. I literally work in the 6 companies and all these companies have 10 to 10 employees only. Okay, in the development team. Okay, so that is good. 25K salary, I can say this is less, but making an app within 3 days, that is unexpected. Okay, so you should join a company where manager will give you a support. Right now there are many co-founders where I have worked, and the manager, they contact me very frequently. Okay, they ask me what I am doing right now, what is my next plan, kind of thing. And also they are connected on LinkedIn, also they are connected on WhatsApp. We frequently discuss things on the WhatsApp. But this is kind of support you get the manager even after left the companies 1 year back. So this you should work in this kind of companies. Okay. Huh. If they are toxic, I see there are few companies which are very toxic. Like building entire app in 3 days is not possible. I thought app dev, that's why. One more thing that I want to talk about here is, if you see, there are like 6,000 plus jobs, 6,000 plus people apply for a job, for a front end developer role. Become more skillful. Maybe they know JavaScript and React.js. Maybe they know JavaScript and React.js. Learn Nest.js. Learn Nest.js, server side rendering. Okay, design patterns. Learn this design pattern. The more skillful you are, the more you will put on the table. The chances of getting referral will be, or chancing of getting an offer will be good. Don't like just learn JavaScript and React.js. Learn Nest.js, learn Tailwind CSS, learn design pattern, learn trending design. Okay, the things which are working in 2020. I'm not talking about 2010. The things which were working in 2010, 20, it's not working in 2023. Tech is changing at very high pace. The current website designs are very like, you will find very handful of YouTube videos which are sharing this 2023 trending designs. I will make a video on that if required. Like you will see 3D kind of things, you will see motion, you will see framer, you will see animation. Learn these kind of things. Okay, once you learn the front end on the web, front end on the web, learn front end on the mobile, learn about the React Native, learn about the React Native. The more skillful, the more skill set you have, the getting job will be like very easy for you. If you know the front end, learn basics of backend, basics of backend. Your first, like, this is your strong point, this is your strong point, but these are, like, you can say few things which you can add on. Okay, so may more skillful, soft skill possible. Can you talk about good project? How to clone projects? देखो, clone projects are good. अब मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ. I'm going to, so before ending this session, in September, in September, this is my plan. In September, I'm going to launch web development bootcamp. Web development bootcamp. Right now, we have DSA bootcamp. DSA bootcamp. You can. I will ask for suggestion, like what kind of web development bootcamp you need. So if you see here, if I go to like here DSA, you see I'm teaching live right now. As I'm teaching live here DSA things, and this is what I'm doing right now. Similar things I will do here. In this, I will create the projects like sketchboard. Okay, sketchboard. Nobody do this kind of thing, and this is the project. What I'm showing you, we will have this stroke color kind of set, we will have this field, we will have stroke length, we will have this cursor circle kind of things, we will have upload image, this whole thing. This is the first project that we are gonna do in September. Second, we will use the webcam, we will use the webcam. Third, we will work on Google Sheet. Google Sheet. Okay, Google Sheet. Here we will write the formula. Here we will learn about the graph algorithms. But okay, and few more things that I want to talk about is, in this web development bootcamp, we will also see sorting algorithms. Sorting ni, I will say algo visualizer. Algo visualizer. Algo visualizer. Here we will learn about BST. Let's say you have a binary tree. You have the binary tree and you want to search certain item. How it will find it? So we will do certain animation on that. We will do this. BST, graph, sorting, linked list. We will build this kind of project. And just for a reference, what types of projects it will be? Visio algo dot sorting. This is like not a small project, to be very honest. किस तरीके के प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, which type of project you should make, the project which can create an impact. Right now I see this is like 10-year-old project and hundreds of thousands of people using these projects to learn. Create this kind of project. So here you can learn about the sorting, you can learn about the linked list, you can learn about the hash table, how hash table work, binary search tree work. Okay, so if you just let me show you how this thing work. So let's say this is the binary search tree and I want to insert 14 and 16. So how it will work? See, देख लो this kind of animation. I will try to make this kind of project. 1 2 3 4 and एक दो projects हैं और हैं which I will make. Okay, and this project will be something like, I will start from very scratch. I will start from very start. Like I will first of all create an HTML file, CSS file. Okay, so this will the boot camp, like 1 week boot camp for this, 1 week boot camp for this, 1 week boot camp for this, 1 week boot camp for this. Make this kind of projects, unique project. DSA bootcamp we are doing right now. In the September we will learn about the linked list, stack, queue, graph, and binary tree, and whatever we are learning in the DSA, whatever we are learning in the DSA, we will implement. We will implement in the development. So this is how you have to manage DSA and development. Okay, I think I talk about that. But yeah, to be very honest, this take lots of effort. This take lots of effort. So make sure to share the series with your friends. Then only I can make this kind of stuff. Then only I just planning I will do this stuff. But this take literally lots of stuff. Just for your sake of understanding, in August, I have shared 30 videos. 30 videos. Out of which like 10 videos are 1 hour plus. 10 videos are 1 hour plus. 30 videos are very insane. If you see 30 hours a video into 1 hour, and that will take at least 5 hours of editing, 150 hours, and uploading, creating content, that will take more than 300 hours. That will means more than 10 hours per day. More than 10 hours per day. And to be very honest, I haven't sleep, like I am taking just 2 to 3 hours of sleep from the last 1 week. Just 2 to 3 hours of week. If I'm doing this kind of stuff, so I need little support from your side so that I can do this thing. Otherwise there is no benefit of creating so much things but getting like no one is understanding or learning from this. Because this kind of projects, to be very honest, if I do the boot camp, I can sell this at least 10K for per student. And just for your reference, I have also teach paid, like I used to paid for edtech, and they paid me 2K for 1 hour class. So if I just spend this 300, like 330 class into 2K, I can easily make 60K in August. Easily 60K in August. And this kind of things I don't even have to do editing kind of thing. So I am like, forget about 60K, I am also paying for the thumbnail and lots of other stuff. So please do support for that. Then only I can do that. Just share the LinkedIn post that Vishal is doing DSA things. That can make a good projects. How to prepare for the system design? Yeah, I have already shared the video. With if you come here, this is the front end system design roadmap, where we talk about design pattern, trending pattern, and lots of other stuff. So check out this video. How to get our first job, आपने क्या करा और कैसे किया था. I will make a one video on that how I get the first job and how I like all 4 years of experience. Please, how to prepare for, like कर दिया phone. I have prepared for resume, but it's showing 8 years studied when checking in different state. To be very honest, 8 years is not you should consider very much, but you should understand. देखो, if you are making a resume, it should have every single thing. It should mention experience, projects, skills, and it can be have all the keywords. Okay, few websites are not sharing the good ATS, but resume word are like lots of others to recommend. So whatever you find on the resume word, it is like good. And don't think much about the ATS. Don't think much about the ATS. If you feel like your resume is good, your resume is follow this pattern, whatever I said in the video, then it's good. Make a single page resume. Make a single page resume. Put all the details. I put the 2 page resume because I have lots of other content. Okay. I am getting rejected after some rounds and I don't know what's the reason. When I do a callback for a feedback, I don't get a reason properly, not responsive or give a valid reply. Do a self introspection, like what can be the possible reason. And sometimes few companies are very bad. Like I see lots of companies do a feedback that, hey Vishal, you have done this thing, but I think you should improve this kind of stuff. But if they are not giving the feedback, what you can do, you can just apply for other company. हाउ टू क्रैक रेजर पे एज अ फ्रेशर. देखो मैं बताता हूँ, रेजर पे की ना एक इंजीनियरिंग गाइड है. रेजर पे इंजीनियरिंग गाइड करके कुछ है, आई गेस गाइडलाइंस होगी, पढ़ लो. इंटरव्यू गाइड है. अब मैं क्यों बताऊँ हाउ टू क्रैक इंटरव्यू. उन्होंने खुद एक गाइड बना रखे, दे हैव ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू ऑफ फ्रेजर पे. तो चेक आउट दिस लिंक, जस्ट टाइप इट ऑन गूगल, यू विल फाइंड कि व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रिपेयर, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर. आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट द पीडीएफ विच आई एम आस्किंग. हाँ यही है, टेलीफोन स्क्रीन काइंड ऑफ स्टफ, कि क्या क्या होगा, क्या कैसे कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, दे हैव मेंशन एवरीथिंग. कंपनीज के ब्लॉग पढ़ो, रीड कंपनीज ब्लॉग, हाउ मच डीएसए फॉर फ्रंट एंड एंड फुल स्टैक. चेक आउट द वीडियो, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक अबाउट दैट. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर मशीन कोडिंग राउंड. देखो मशीन कोडिंग राउंड के लिए इधर जाओ, ये मशीन कोडिंग राउंड के वीडियोस हैं. check out this do check out these videos for the machine coding rounds, and do check out these videos to understand what types of question is asked in the front end interviews. This is the real front end interviews. I asked this question, this question was asked by me, asked to me by the interviewer, so I asked this question to few of my students. Okay, is it possible, could you please review my resume, I will send you the drive link. We have the WhatsApp group, we have the WhatsApp group where lots of students share their drive link and get it reviewed by the. How should resume हो गया, what should I prioritize, and let me just close the poll. हो गया. Money is waste, isn't freelance is a waste to go in this time. Freelance बता दें यार, freelance is a good, freelance is good. I did a freelancing, I did a freelancing, but I did a freelancing with the help of my social presence, with the help of social presence. We will discuss about the social freelancing in like other video. This is not. Can you post internship opportunity in the Discord section? It will be really helpful if you post in the Discord server. यार समझो एक बात समझो. Right now I am giving 10 to like 300 plus hours for creating content only. If I posting the job application, it will take another hundreds hour. It's not possible for me to do all this stuff, and this is for the content. I am managing the GitHub repos, I am asking like doing lots of other stuff on. So I see like you should find the internship using that videos. Okay, I think we have discussed it's more than 1 point, like around 1.3 hour, so 1.5 hour. So we can, if you have any doubt you can let me know in the chat section, otherwise we can conclude it. This video will be live, this video will be on the channel, it is recorded, so you can check out this video after a while too for getting a reference. अब बताओ कोई डाउट है तो just let me know, otherwise I am closing. So, is it okay to have a 6 month career gap for another job switch? हाँ okay, it's okay. I am doing mentorship internship in some edtech and they will provide the LC certificate, that will be helpful. No, सर्टिफिकेट कुछ नहीं होता. ठीक है, कैन यू शेयर एक्सेल. अच्छा शेयर होता है, ये कहाँ से होता है, पता नहीं यार, आई एम नॉट श्योर कि शेयर होता है कि नहीं होता. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ जस्ट वॉच द वीडियो ना. आई डिडंट टॉक लाइक, आई डिडंट प्रिपेयर इट लाइक टू शेयर. आई राइट एनीथिंग ऑन दिस. ओके, जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट काइंड ऑफ थिंग इफ पॉसिबल. बताओ यार क्या हो गया, जा. ओके, शेयरिंग का ऑप्शन आ गया. How to get offers. Okay, and copy link and see if you are able to access this or not. Let me go live. We are live here, and see if you are getting this or not. Just let me know if you are getting this or not. Object out. I will do just share the whatever I am creating content, just share it on with your friends, and I don't need anything as of now. um, yeah, you are able to see. Could not save to the backend database. हाँ कोई नहीं, you are able to get ना. cool. बता दो यार कुछ अगर डाउट था तो, अदरवाइज लीव कर दो. कैंसल, एक मिनट, सेव इट. अच्छा सेव नहीं करना मुझे, जस्ट देख लो. थैंक्स। ओके, चलो यार करते हैं मेरे ख्याल से। कैन यू टेल मी द टॉप 10 प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड इट्स रिसोर्स टू फॉलो अलोंग? इफ यू आर watching the resource, then it's not the top 10. If you are seeing the YouTube tutorial for videos, this doesn't make any sense. And whatever the projects I will make, let's say there will be 10 feature, I will make 6 feature. I can make the 10 feature, but I will make only 6 feature so that the student who put the extra input will get the unfair advantage. Okay, I will not make the 100% tutorial video you will watch or not watch, just copy paste my GitHub code and add in your resume. I will not do that. I will make only 5 to 6 features of every app that I have shared, and I will guide how to make another 4 to 5 features. And whatever I will do with the help of that task, you have to make those features so that all of the student who watch the video will get the unfair advantage that their project are not copy paste project, they have done something from themselves. And this is what I do in almost all the project I have shared. Okay, if you see my other projects, I am doing this stuff because I can make the complete project within a like 5 to 10 hour. But why I will do that? You should do. इज इट ओके? ठीक है, हाउ टू आंसर, कैन यू टॉप 10? हाँ बता दिया भाई, आपका आंसर बता है। और बताओ, और बताओ। ओके, 89% स्टूडेंट डजंट गेट द ऑफर बट few percent get the offer. एनीथिंग, चलो यार खत्म करते हैं। 1.5 घंटा हो गया, इस 1.5 घंटे से पहले भी मैंने 1 घंटे की वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करी है, तो बहुत टाइम हो गया। ओके, good night everyone. Make sure to apply for most of the companies and you share all the job openings, apply करो, रेफरल लो, बस खुश रहो, ठीक है। ओके, बाय एवरीवन।